Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today, today we are going to discuss on the topic of servlet. This is the major important thing when you are dealing with the AEM and also when you are dealing with the browser type of request, any browser type of languages or full stack related things related to the Java. First, what is a servlet is normally what was the difference between normal servlet and your Java program is simply in a your Java program you can simply write anything under a main method. Your execution also start from in a main method, but when it comes to the servlet is only just a class. It doesn't contain any main method. And also normal Java programming runs in your local JVM, but comes to the servlet it will executes the task in a server. It executes the task in a server. And why the servlets helps to you is when you are dealing with the dynamic web type of problems. Suppose taking the example of login request, simply you are entering a username and password and click on the submit button, but it has to be perform some action. That means from browser to database some action to be done. uh, one can suppose taking the example of it is a one browser. Okay, normally all the data can be stored in a database. Suppose it is your database, it will be stored some data. Suppose it was the first time of registration. In the first time of registration you can simply enter the username and password, right? Simply you can hit a submit button. In the first time of registration it simply do one task. What are the normally the execution flow in the browser, how it will behave is, suppose take the example of this. If I search for any website, if I search for the any website of simply I can go for the Wikipedia. Suppose take the example here, I can simply search for one thing of Wikipedia. Simply I am writing something, and when I hit a button, it what the normally it will give some suggestions to you of the websites and all the things. It will be give some suggestions.